Hello, friends. It is Running Kimono, and so this is really interesting. One of my subscribers sent me a message that there was a huge Reddit feed about changes to curbside pickup, or those sort of pickups that we do at store with digital coupons and pay like 16 cents and get something for free. There's going to be a change starting on the 19th of August. So we're going to read through this, and special shout out and thank you to Rose for sending this. I'm not going to say your full first and last, or your last name, just in case. But thank you to her. She sent this and she's like, oh my gosh, you got to read this. And she's absolutely right. So this is the paragraph that concerns us. So I think this was circulated amongst staff and it ended up on Reddit. And it's being circulated now in the couponing community. So here it is. We hear you. News, $10 minimum for pickup orders. We heard your feedback, and beginning on August the 19th, a $10 minimum order threshold will be required for a customer when placing a pickup order. This minimum will not be required for photo or pharmacy combined orders and same-day retail delivery orders. Now, okay, so photo is pretty evident. Pharmacies, of course. Same day retail day delivery orders. So I think that has to do with like if you are going to DoorDash something from your local Walgreens, or use one of those like, delivery services to grab something, and you have to pay, like I think for DoorDash it's $3.95 and then plus your order, and that's done through a completely different app. So, it has nothing to do with that, but that's what that is. Second paragraph, by instituting a pickup order threshold, we should begin to see larger customer baskets as well as reduce some of the coupon abuse that has been occurring from the start of the program. The order threshold will also focus our store labor in a more efficient way, ensuring that time is not being allocated for smaller pickup baskets. So I am not surprised by this. I think that people with 10 Walgreens account that were getting like, let me think off the top of my head, something really cheap. 10 of the masks that were just taxed, the Neutrogena masks last week. That's probably a lot of work for the employee to stop everything, go and do the online order that has to be fulfilled within the hour, or even the free pens. They just want to eliminate that. I think it's going to be $10 after digital coupons, so you'll have to pay that $10 balance. Although if it's some sort of like, spend X to get whatever, you can probably use digital, so you just have to get to that $10 mark for them to fulfill the order. A lot of us were getting like the cheaper Nexus or even the month previous with Tide. So we'll still have deals to do with curbside pickup. But I think for like these tiny little orders that you're paying like, a couple of pennies and getting like, a face masks or 2 packs of pen, that'll be a thing of the past. We'll have to go in store and try and figure something out with that. But yeah, I think it has to do with the lack of staff at these stores and the fact that they're trying to promise customers their baskets within 2 hours. So these are a priority. And if you've ever seen it in store, they really hustle to get these things together really quick. So on the 19th, which is a Thursday, which is a really weird date because usually these new changes are implemented on like a Sunday or a Monday. So we'll just have to wait and see. I know there's a lot of managers and staff from Walgreens that watch my channel. You've probably heard of this. And if you want to confirm in the comments and let us know, is it $10 after or before coupons? That would be greatly appreciated because it's just kind of vague right here. My suspicion is going to be $10 after any coupons or promotions. That's what they want. The second question to this is, could you use $10 of Walgreens cash? Because if it's something with a register reward or a buy scenario, this will be very easy to find deals either way. But what is the stipulations of the $10? Does it have to be $10 with your debit card? Or can it be $10 with Walgreens cash? That's the second part of it. Or will we have to wait and see till August the 19th, what everything is in this new little change. So any staffers who want to write in the comments or maybe send me a quick DM over on Instagram, I'd love to hear from you. Especially managers, they might have the scoop on this. But we're just curious how this is going to work. But moving forward, I think the tiny deals like getting a face mask and paying 14 cents or school supplies where you're paying no tax, no nothing, you just go to the store and get it. I think that's going to be a thing of the past, but hey, if we can stack like a couple tubes of free toothpaste and use some Walgreens cash, that might be a completely different story. As always, we'll figure this out, guys, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.